Hello, this example demonstrates how to use digital input and output pins on the Arduino Uno. Using the digital read command, we can check the state of this red button, and using digital write, we can turn on the LEDs. To help visualize the difference between analog and digital, this red switch is digital, it's either on or off. There's only two states, whereas this potentiometer has a range of values, allowing us to dim the LED. First thing we do is declare our variables and which pins they go to. Our button goes to digital pin 6, the LEDs go to digital pins 3, 4, and 5. We also have to declare that the button is an input and the LEDs are output. Now in our void loop section of the code, we use digital read to check the state of the button and declare that as button state. Now if the button state is high, we add 1 to the count. If the count is 0, if we didn't push a button yet, we want all the LEDs to be off. Now these three if statements is how we can turn each individual LED on. If we push the button once, if the count equals 1, digital write to LED high, that's turning LED 1 on. Now if we push a button twice, count will equal 2 and we turn LED high, and the same goes for 3.